HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hey kids! Today we're going to draw a lovely butterfly. Let's start with its wings, small body, another wing and its antennas. That was super easy. Let's add the pretty details too. Curvy lines and small circles. Wow! It's looking great! Time to paint. Let's start with a beautiful golden color to fill in the body. And some of the details too. On to some red color. And green. Some lovely blue. And here comes pink. Let's go for purple. Some teal now. Let's finish off with some magenta. So colorful and magical. A lovely, beautiful butterfly. Look at this magical floating hot air balloon. Let's begin. A square for the basket. 2 lines to connect the skirt. And a big balloon. Cover the balloon with lines. And done! Time to paint. Start off with red. And then green. Purple. The color gold. Pink. Cyan. Orange. Green. And red again. What a pretty balloon! Let's quickly complete it. Sea green for the skirt. And golden for the details. Yay! Ready to fly? Woohoo! This is magical! Here is our lovely hot air balloon. See you next time.